What's up guys? Today we are going to have an HTML CSS course from beginner to advanced. Let's first define what is HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language, a standardized system for tagging text files to achieve font, color, graphic, and hyperlink effects on World Wide Web pages. It works well with CSS and JavaScript to come up with a front-end application. And then you can add the backend to come up with a full stack application. And it all starts with the basic, the HTML. So let's first write your own first HTML. Before I do that, I recommend you installing my text editor or other text editor for you to use in coding. So I have here the VS Code. To download VS Code, you should go to code.visualstudio.com/download, then choose your own operating system, can be Windows or Mac, then download the Visual Studio Code. Now let's start to create our own HTML file. First, you need to have a directory, a folder. Mine I create HTML CSS course. You need to drag and drop to the VS Code. Now you can create your own index HTML. I name mine index.html. In HTML, we have to follow certain rules. In HTML element always starts with less than, then HTML, then greater than. As you can see, the end tag is automatically generated by my text editor because in default, VS Code has the Emit plugin for you to code faster. So I can do this, then press tab, then boom, I can create my own HTML tag faster. Then inside the HTML, you are obliged to have the head. In the head, you can add your own title. This title will be shown to the top of your page. Let's say HTML CSS course. Aside from title, you need to have a body. Press tab. And by the way, you can take advantage of your VS Code auto formatter to format your document to be more precise and clean. You can just press Alt Shift F to quick format the document. Alt Shift F. Then in the body tag, this is where you will be adding the element that will be shown to your screen. Let's add your first element, which is heading H1. Let's say hello world. And to view the output in the browser, I recommend you to have the live server extension. You can click here and search for live server, then install it, then reload your page, your folder. Then you can right click, then open with live server. Now you can see the output. It says hello world. And that's the very basic on how to write your first HTML code. On the next video, we are going to talk about the different HTML text element and titles.